Hello, we are going to cover how to split designs in Canva. You have your new design open. You're going to go to projects, open the design you want to split, and you can see this is 151 pages. Now you're going to click the pages you want and insert them into the design. If I want to do however many pages I want to do, so I can click add new page, duplicate, whatever you want to do. Instead of 151, perhaps I just want 15 of this 151. Let's say I want to add this one, and then you can go through and just click, and now you're able to split it and select whatever pages you want. So there you go. That is the fastest way. This particular video was inspired by a viewer and a comment on another video I have. I actually had it also titled Splitting Designs in Canva. They brought it to my attention that it's really more of a combining one design into another. And so they inspired me. They're like, everybody shows the same thing, but none of them are really splitting one into multiples. Those are the different ways that you can split one design into multiple separate designs. I hope this helped you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.